In a world filled with constant pressures and expectations, many of us find ourselves longing for that elusive state of fulfillment and bliss. We seek a deeper understanding of ourselves, a connection that brings us true happiness. But the path to achieving this inner harmony can often be shrouded in mystery and confusion. What if I told you that the key to achieving unconditional fulfillment and bliss lies within your own self-acceptance? That by embarking on a journey of self-realization, you can unlock the secrets to finding lasting happiness. Today, we invite you to join us on a voyage of self-discovery as we explore the transformative power of self-realization and the profound bliss it brings. Together, we will delve deep into the realms of mind purification and the blissful experiences that await us. We will guide you through the process of self-inquiry, providing you with the tools and insights necessary to discover your true self. Through self-inquiry, we can shed the layers of conditioning and societal expectations, revealing our authentic essence and finding a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Are you ready to unlock the path to self-realization? Join us as we embark on this enlightening journey together, exploring the depths of our souls and discovering the true meaning of bliss. Along the way, we will unravel the mysteries and share profound wisdom that will guide you towards inner harmony and increased bliss. Before we begin, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be notified when we release future videos filled with transformative insights and guidance. Your support means the world to us as we continue on this journey of self-discovery, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. All right, let's begin. Friends, imagine a life free from the constant need for validation or external circumstances to bring us joy. By allowing ourselves to experience unconditional fulfillment, we open the doors to living life freely and gracefully. This state of being is not dependent on external factors, but rather on our internal alignment with our true selves. When we release the expectation that happiness can only be found in certain achievements or possessions, we liberate ourselves from the limitations of external validation. We become free to appreciate the beauty of each passing moment, savoring life's experiences without attachment or the need for anything more. The ideal state of consciousness acknowledges that we are already complete and need nothing from the external world. Imagine a state of consciousness where you are at peace with who you are, acknowledging that you are already complete and lacking nothing. This ideal state recognizes that external circumstances or possessions cannot fill the void within us, as we are already whole. By shifting our perspective to this understanding, we detach from the constant pursuit of external validation and external desires. We no longer seek fulfillment from the outside world, realizing that true contentment lies within our own being. This awareness sets us free to embrace the present moment and find joy in simply being. Embracing this ideal state of consciousness allows us to experience true bliss, untethered by external conditions and desires. It is a profound shift that enables us to find fulfillment within ourselves, opening doors to a life of abundance and serenity. When we embark on journeys to achieve our goals, visions, and definite chief aims, we often find ourselves confronted with our own beliefs and perceptions. These journeys have the transformative power to purify our minds, offering us the opportunity to let go of beliefs that no longer serve us. As we take steps towards realizing our aspirations, we are challenged to confront our inner narratives, those deeply ingrained beliefs that may hinder our progress. By questioning and releasing these beliefs that are not true, we clear the path towards our goals and create space for new perspectives and possibilities. This process brings forth a higher degree of clarity or a calmer mind. As we engage in the process of mind purification, something incredible happens. We begin to experience a higher degree of clarity and a sense of calm within ourselves. By letting go of false beliefs and limiting thoughts, we create space for clarity to emerge. A calmer mind allows us to see things from a new perspective, enabling us to navigate challenges with greater ease and grace. It opens doors to profound personal growth and empowers us to make decisions aligned with our true selves. Sri Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, a renowned spiritual teacher, taught a profound concept. By being aware of the I thought and not attaching ourselves to it, we can experience pure awareness and self-realization. The I thought refers to the identification with our ego, the sense of a separate self. When we become aware of this thought, simply observing it without getting caught up in its demands, we open the gateway to pure consciousness. It is in this state of non-identification that we can truly realize our innermost self. Friends, self-inquiry is a transformative practice that involves questioning the thoughts that arise within us, without judgment or condemnation. It is a powerful tool for transcending the incessant chatter of the mind and discovering a state of profound silence and bliss. By engaging in self-inquiry, we develop a deeper understanding of our thoughts, beliefs, and patterns of behavior. This heightened self-awareness allows us to observe the mind without getting caught up in its constant fluctuations. As we detach from our thoughts and emotions through self-inquiry, we cultivate a sense of inner peace, tranquility, and harmony. This state of inner harmony enables us to navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and emotional stability. Self-inquiry helps us uncover and understand our deepest desires. Through introspection, we gain insight into what truly resonates with our authentic selves. By questioning and examining our desires without judgment, we can discern whether they align with our core values and aspirations. In this process, we become more conscious of our intentions and choose to manifest desires that are in harmony with our higher purpose. Self-inquiry allows us to cultivate a positive mindset by examining and challenging negative thought patterns. As we question and shift our perspectives, we foster a mindset of abundance, optimism, and possibility. This positive mindset is essential for attracting and manifesting the things we desire in life, as our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. Friends, with this, we conclude our video. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey of self-realization and manifestation. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Let's recap the key points we discussed. Self-realization is the profound acknowledgement of your true self that transcends thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and material gains. It is the gateway to experiencing spontaneous bliss in all areas of life. Remember, this state of being happens naturally and effortlessly. In your manifestation journey, remind yourself that your true essence is unconditionally loving and ever-changing wisdom. Embrace the power within you to create your desired reality, knowing that everything unfolds according to divine timing and alignment. If you enjoyed this video, we kindly invite you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We value your thoughts and insights, so please share them in the comments section below. Let's engage in a meaningful conversation and support each other on our individual paths to manifestation. As we conclude, we send you heartfelt blessings in your manifestation journey. May your desires manifest in perfect harmony with your highest good. Until we meet again in our next video, keep embracing the power of manifestation and living a life full of abundance, joy, and purpose. Thank you, and see you soon in our next video.